Chapter 6. Determiners. Let's learn determiners. Determiners are words placed in front of nouns or at the beginning of noun phrases. A determiner tells us whether the noun is specific, definite, or general, indefinite. Determiners are of different types. Determiners. Articles. A, an, the. Demonstratives. This, that, these, those. Possessives. My, our, your, his, her, their, its. Quantifiers. Many, more, none, most, a few, much, a little. Distributives. Each, every, neither, either. Interrogatives. Which, whose, what, how. Let's learn articles. Articles are used to point out people, places, animals, or things. Articles are of two kinds, definite and indefinite. Definite article. The is a definite article. It is used before a noun to refer to a specific thing. Uses of the. The is used to refer to a noun which has already been mentioned. For example, there was a building at this place. Now, the building has been demolished. He has a cow. The cow gives creamy milk. To define or identify a particular person or object. For example, this is the teacher who taught me mathematics. He is the only person who can do it confidently. To refer to people or objects that are unique. For example, the sun rises in the east. The India Gate is in Delhi. With adjectives to refer to a group of people. For example, we should help the poor. The rich should come forward to make India a developed country. With some proper nouns. It is placed before the names of geographical areas, rivers, mountain ranges, groups of islands, canals and oceans. For example, the Suez Canal, the Nile, etc. With some country names that are plural and those that include the words republic, kingdom or states. For example, my uncle is a doctor in the United States of America. I would like to visit the United Kingdom. With names of famous buildings, monuments and pieces of art. For example, the Eiffel Tower is in Paris. The Gateway of India is in Mumbai. Omission of the. They is not used with names of countries. India is a great country. With names of languages. She can speak French. With names of meals. They ate dinner at a famous restaurant. With names of people. My sister's name is Roma. With uncountable nouns. Milk is good for health. With names of individual mountains, lakes and islands. Mount Everest, Dal Lake, Antigua. Repetition of the. When a sentence contains more than one noun, the use of article the is repeated to indicate that both the nouns refer to two different people or things. For example, the singer and the lyricist were performing on stage. Here, the repetition of the indicates that singer and lyricist are two different people. Remember, if two nouns share a common the, it means both nouns refer to a single person. For example, the singer and lyricist was performing on stage. Here, the singer and lyricist is one person. Indefinite articles. A and an are indefinite articles. They are used before singular nouns. A is used when a word begins with a consonant sound. An is used when a word begins with a vowel sound. For example, a new shop has opened in the neighborhood. An antelope was caught in the fence. Indefinite articles are used to mean one, referring to a single object or person, or a single unit of measurement. This is a student. with names of jobs. He is a doctor. With nationalities and religions given in singular. She is an Indian. With names of days of the week when not referring to any particular day. She always calls me on a Sunday. With singular nouns after the words what and such. What a wonderful car. Let's learn demonstratives. Demonstrative determiners are used to point out a person or an object, near or far from the speaker. This, that, these and those are demonstrative determiners. This and these indicate something near the speaker. That and those indicate something far away from the speaker. For example, this pen is mine. Singular near. That pen is yours. Singular far. These chocolate are mine. Plural near. Those chocolate are yours. Plural afar. Demonstrative determiner can be placed before the nouns or adjectives that modify nouns. For example, this old desk needs polishing. Demonstrative determiners can be placed before numbers when nouns are understood from the context. For example, those two are not as good as these two. Let's learn possessives. Possessive determiners are used to show ownership or possession. My, your, his, her, its, our and their are possessive determiners. They are placed before nouns or noun phrases. For example, this dog has injured its leg. This is our new car. Let's learn quantifiers. Quantifiers are determiners to give approximate or specific answers to the questions how much and how many. Much, many, few, little, some, any, two, three, etc. are quantifiers. Quantifiers are of two types. Ordinal numbers, first, second, third, etc., refer to distribution and rank. Cardinal numbers, 1, 2, 3, etc., refer to quantity and percentage. For example, Satyajit Ray was the first Indian to win a French honor. Ordinal. There are 4 balloons in that bunch. Cardinal. Uses of quantifiers. Quantifiers are used to indicate the amount or quantity of something. They can be used with both countable and uncountable nouns. Much and many. Much and many are used in interrogative and negative sentences. These are also used in affirmative and negative sentences in combination with to and so. For example, my brother has many friends. This chocolate has too much sugar in it. There were so many calls that I lost the count. A few and a little. A few, for countable nouns, and a little, for uncountable nouns, are used to describe a quantity in a positive way, implying that although the speaker may not have much, he has enough. For example, I have a few chocolate for distribution. Don't worry. I do have a little money left with me. Few and little. Few, for countable nouns, and little, for uncountable nouns, are used to describe a quantity in a negative way, which means not as much as expected or wished for. For example, few birds come here to rest. There is little water left in this lake. Some and any. Some and any are used in both interrogative and affirmative sentences. They do not tell any specific number or amount. For example, they ate the bread with some honey and milk. Did you meet any of your friends in Goa? Let's learn distributives. Distributive determiners are used to show distribution. These indicate different ways of referring to an individual member of a group. Each, every, either and neither are distributive determiners. Each is used to refer to one of the two things. For example, each child was given a task. Every is used to refer to more than one thing. For example, Every part of my body is aching. Either is used to refer to any one of the two things or people. For example, I have bought 2 sweaters. You can take either of them. Neither is used to refer to none of the two things or people. For example, neither of you could explain the topic. Determiners and adjectives. Determiners and adjectives look similar, but there are subtle differences between the two. They differ in terms of the language as well as the position which they have in a sentence. Determiners. Adjectives. Determiners are words that make the reference of nouns more specific. If I say, this dog, it is clear that I mean a particular dog which is near me. If I change it to, my dog, I am saying something quite specific about the ownership. Adjectives are used with nouns to make the meaning more specific. If I use the noun car, it can mean any car. As soon as I say a large, red car, I have given two of its attributes, size and color. A noun is said to be modified by its adjectives. Remember, determiners always come before adjectives. Let's learn interrogative determiners. Interrogative determiners are used to ask questions. What, whose, which, how much and how many are interrogative determiners. For example, how much money do we all have? Whose bag is lying on my table?